Over the past 10 years, I've used dozens of B2B marketing strategies to generate leads for my companies. And recently, I found a particular marketing strategy that is booking myself and hundreds of agencies that I work with a ton of sales calls daily. And look, in this video, I am going to reveal what this strategy is so you can start filling up your calendar with booked calls. You've probably noticed how much the game has changed when it comes to getting appointments for your business. As the internet evolved, more businesses realized that they need to be online, and as the internet also evolved, so did prospecting and marketing. In fact, it made prospecting way easier, but the problem was everyone else could do the same thing. This makes it harder to prospect because you're competing with so many different people and so much attention out there. So when I started my marketing agency 5 years ago, I needed to couple my outreach with trust building activities. And if I could solve scaling trust, this is only going to increase the likelihood of being trusted and getting responses. So I started creating content to educate my target audience to show that I knew what I was doing. But the reality is that creating content isn't all you should do, and it's not all I did. While this strategy was great for us, it's not the actual strategy that predictably got us new book appointments. And the solution that we arrived at, which books us 3 to 5 calls a day, is cold emailing. The reason I like cold email is because 1, it's personalized. You can send personalized emails at scale. 2, it's scalable. You can send thousands a day. 3, it is targeted. This is sending to pinpointed customers that you can find within your niche. And guess what? They're all using email and they're all on their email, so they're fairly easy to find. Guys, let me show you exactly how this all works. We use a tool called Instantly. So what we can do simply is we can add multiple emails that we could be sending from. Because yeah, if you started sending emails from your personal email, you're gonna get flagged as spam. So if I go to the email setup, I can say, cool, if my name is agency U, and what's gonna populate is some variations of my email. The rule of thumb here is each domain can handle about 3 emails, and each email can handle about 50 emails per day. And if I just quickly fill this out, I can forward it to my current domain. What's automatically gonna populate is my name with the new domain that I bought. We now have the foundation to send over 2,200 emails every single freaking day, which is incredible. And once I purchase the domains, I can actually warm them up inside of here, which will be an important step. So another reason that I like cold email is that it's really easy to find people. Let's just say I'm working with people in construction and CEOs of construction companies. Cool, I can filter by job titles, location, number of employees, by their revenue, keywords, and so much more. So here's a list of 27,000 construction CEOs inside of Instantly's Lead Finder, which now I can begin to create emails for. Another reason that I mentioned that I like cold email is because it's personalized. So now if I go to campaigns, I can actually create a personalized campaign. So I can add the leads that I just got. They're going to be verified, which is a very important step. So I know that these emails are in fact legit. And if I go to sequences, I can type out personalized emails to these prospects. It can be a little bit challenging to figure out, okay, what do I need to say? What you don't want to do is you don't want to make it feel like you're sending an email blast marketing your services and thinking that a business owner on the other side is going to respond. What we can do is 2 things. 1, we can use Instantly's AI copy generator. Let's just say my business name is Construction Leads. Continue. We help construction companies get 2 to 4 new projects per month using our construction social funnel. Who's my target audience? Construction companies wanting to scale. Boom. And then if you have any case studies, you can add those. We helped John's Excavating land 3 projects last month, totaling 500K in new revenue. We helped Sally's Construction land 2 jobs just last week without having to rub shoulders. Cool, continue. How many steps in the sequence? Let's just do 3 steps and then we can click generate. And this is a great start if you're just getting started with cold email because I've written a lot of email copy and this sequence that they generate is pretty freaking solid. What we can do is we can click use sequence. What we can also do is we can simply make it our own. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna give you a framework, personalized line, value proposition, case study, call to action. So how this would look in this case, hi John, notice company name is Crushing It in City. What we could also do for the personalized lines is we go to the leads and we can use the AI prompts to generate a unique opening sentence. We could do a company compliment. There's a lot of different ways that we can even leverage AI inside of Instantly to write personalized lines. So personalized line, compliment, custom sentence, etc. Then your value proposition. So we help construction companies get 4 jobs every month using our construction social funnel without having to rub shoulders with referral partners or spend thousands on something like Angie's List, ANDL. Case study. we just helped John's Excavating land 3 projects last month, totaling 500K, and then call to action. I would keep it fairly light. We want to just offer them something of value, and we want to make it as frictionless as possible. And in this case, I'm just going to do like what we call a soft call to action, which could be like, could I send you a personalized video sharing how you can do the same? So now what we're really doing, sending 2,000 of these a day, is we're trying to get people who want to scale to raise their hand and be like, wow, this message really resonates with me. Yeah, I want to personalize a video to learn how I can do the same. And that becomes the lead. That becomes who you actually follow up with. So now what will happen is we can actually set up follow-up sequences. So 2 days later, it'll send a follow-up message. And then another 2 days later, it'll send another follow-up message. And then what we do is we go to options. We can launch this bad boy and we can track all the analytics inside of our analytics and see how the campaigns are actually performing. And the beautiful thing about this is that all of the messages that you're going to get back are not going to go to the 10 different emails that we just bought. They're going to go to the Unibox. And inside of the Unibox, we can easily manage the responses and we can mark them as, cool, is this someone not interested? Is this someone interested? And I can begin using their CRM to track all of the opportunities that I'm getting from the cold emails that I'm doing. And guess what? The people that you're emailing are likely going to check you out on social media. They're going to make sure that you're legit. And if they book a call with you, you want to make sure that your presence is strong. So guys, if you can couple these 2 strategies together, you will win in B2B marketing. If you're interested in the software that I use to show you exactly how to do this, just click the link in the description to try out instantly.ai. And if you want to learn how to actually get new clients using cold email, go ahead and click on this video right here. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.